Big headline numbers were that our revenue was up 25% on the previous year and EBITDA was up 31% on the previous year. These numbers are consistent with the recent trend we've had, and our 3-year numbers, which are shown in the ASX release that we put out today, show similar levels of growth in revenue and EBITDA over the previous 3 years. So we've got a good trend in place, and that makes us feel good that we're on the right track with the positioning of the business as a high net worth service, or a service to high net worth advisors. We think that we've got that right. We think that our products now match that desire to serve that community, and that's allowed us to achieve those numbers in terms of revenue and expense growth. And the outlook's very positive for that segment of the market and for our contribution to it. So the key drivers for the uplift in revenue and EBITDA, first of all on the revenue side, it's just the continued expansion in our business. The total assets that we administer for people, either on the platform or our Scope Plus administration solution, have grown by 12%. And that growth in the assets that you're administering for people obviously leads to higher revenue over time. So that continued growth in assets that we administer is what drives the revenue. On the EBITDA, it's grown even stronger than revenue because our expenses haven't grown by the same rate as our revenue growth. And that's because there is some leverage coming in as we get bigger and there's more scale in our business now, coupled with the fact that we've made some good investments in technology over the years, and they're gradually leading to more and more of our processes being fully automated rather than having manual handling. So in terms of the outlook for Praemium in 2026 and the sustainability of the growth trajectory that we've got, certainly our highest priority within the business now is client onboarding. That's a very good position to be in, that you've won the client accounts already, and now your focus is on onboarding them successfully and giving them a positive first impression of their life in the Praemium world. So that gives us confidence that we'll continue to see growth in funds under administration, whether that be Scope or Scope Plus or the Spectrum product. And with that growth in funds that we are looking after on behalf of our clients, we should see the revenue continue to grow. And we would like to think that we can achieve another year of double-digit revenue growth in 26 and then beyond that. And that our expenses don't need to grow as fast as revenue in order to deliver that revenue growth, which means that the EBITDA line can grow even faster than the revenue line.